Okay, so this is the Kubernetes install. So just like we have clusters for Unodes and Docker containers, we have Kubernetes clusters. So you can add a cluster and paste in your kube.config here with a default namespace and a name. So that gives you a cluster like this. Then it assumes that in your cluster you're going to have a bunch of shared infrastructure in a common namespace. So I put mine in root, for example. And so it scans and it looks for the database servers and Quadrant and other such interesting services you might want to use. And so it will then use that scan for when you're deploying a service to Kubernetes. It will try to match the URLs for the databases and backend infrastructure against that automatically. Let's not use that menu. Let's use this menu. So you can actually, so at the moment, the deploys for Kubernetes are not showing in the service menu. So I've got headlamp here to show the ones that I've got. Interestingly, you can actually use UShadow to deploy itself to Kubernetes, which is not quite working yet. It's a little bit scary on whether it's going to be self-replicating or whatever, but kind of fun to do so. So let's say I want to deploy mycelia backend to Kubernetes. And so that's going to go to my Anubis node, and it has locked the OpenAI stuff. And in theory, so it's put like the right Mongo URL for the Mongo database on Kubernetes. So if we click deploy, hopefully we should, there we go, mycelia backend, it's coming, and so that will get up and deployed. Now that gets deployed, but like the URL will not be accessible in the same way as we have with Tailscale. So I've got a Tailscale subnet router on Kubernetes, well, this is not implemented yet. So I do have a script which then adds service names. So you can go to ushadow.chakra, which was a magic DNS name that I used. So that's going to here. And so yeah, this is ushadow in Kubernetes, which is deployed by it. I don't think the services are quite working. Oh no, wow, they are. Although the Windows screwed up. So we do that. We've already got a UI. Yeah, okay, that's trying to start it through Docker. This looks like it's an old image which has been deployed, but there you go, deploying on Kubernetes.